Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the UGREEN 4-port USB 3.0 switch box. Using this switch box, I'm going to be able to share up to 4 different USB devices between 2 computers without having to unplug them each time. So let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside and then see how it works. In the box, you have 2 male-to-male USB 3.0 A to A cables. Then you have the manual. Then you have your switch, which has 4 USB 3.0 input ports. And on the other side, we have 2 more USB 3.0 outputs to send the signal to each computer. Should you have any device that requires additional power, you can always add additional power via the 5-volt micro USB port. Located on the top, we have the computer toggle button, as well as the 2 computer indicator lights, which illuminate when in use. Then I'm going to be plugging in my USB video capture card that I use to connect my Sony a6000 as a webcam, and then my mouse and keyboard combo. Now that I have my devices connected, let's see it in action. Right now, the number 1 is lit up as computer 1 is the active computer. Using the mouse and the keyboard, there is no lag at all. Heading over to the camera app, we can see that the camera is connecting without issue. Now I'm going to head over to my second computer where we're going to also test out the keyboard mouse combo as well as the webcam. To switch over to your other computer, just press on the toggle switch and you should hear your devices being discovered. What I like about using this device is that it's simple and easy to use. When switching over between computers, my USB devices are picked up instantly. Since I've been using this USB switch, it's been a solid experience and I haven't had any issues with devices being recognized. As usual, all product links can be found in the description, and if you have any questions about the switch, drop them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.